Welcome.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back. It's your girl Bree Marie.
Subscribe and like, y'all.
And if you read the title below, yes, this is an unboxing video. Ching. So, let me cut to the chase. During all this quarantine mess, you still want to look cute in the house and whatnot, right? I spent a total of like $34 on 2 weeks. That's including the $1.99 shipping that they had available. And I really like, let me just show y'all what I got. So first of all, we're gonna say that for last because honey, that is not me, but we're gonna try it. First one I got is another sensational Empress lace wig. Her name is Kristen. She really do look like a Kristen though. She like she'll be a news reporter or something like that. Hi, my name is Kristen, reporting live from, I don't even have it on my head. Yeah, her name is Kristen. She just has a curved part. She's nothing too special or whatever. I'll say that now, but we need the news, so she is special. So yeah, and I got this in the color 1B dark teal. I want to say this is, I don't think this hair is teal on my head. I don't remember, but I know on my head I do have a sensational Empress lace wig. I don't know why I like these. They cheap. They do the job, as you can tell. Let's unbox her, y'all. Let's get to the point. I will sit here and talk about rada for a long time.
All right, at this point, I'm just ranting about my air being off. So, yeah, anyways.
She comes with 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps, like a lot of wigs do. It's the lace in the front. I'm feeling this teal. Dark teal, excuse my French. She do come with some what they call baby hairs. Let's get this card out of here because she's in my way. Hi, my name's Kristen and stuff. Alright, let me get Kristen on her. So hot. I'm gonna die. I'll cut the lace off. Not right now because I don't feel like it. I just want to see if I get the picture. Hi, my name is Kristen, aka Bree Marie, reporting live. This is the back of Kristen. Oh my god, I got a new chair just because my other man no back. Ooh, my tag all out. Lord, fix it. My back. This is the back of Kristen. Hi, my name's Kristen. Can I come to your house and bake some cookies? Alright, so this is Kristen, y'all. I'm feeling her. Probably because I'm feeling the color. But I'm not feeling this bang. This bang. She bang. She bang. I need some friends. Alright. It's hot. Hold on. Kristen Alright. So, dun, 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 dun. This is my next one. From this company, Outre I'm just playing. That sounds so illiterate. But this is Miss Nola. I like to call her, what was her name? This wig was $13.99. I know that was so sad. Oh my god. In this little short thing here, it's a comb in the bag. Lord, they even put combs in the front, and it's 2 combs in the front.
Whoa.
I never wore a short wig. I never had my hair ever in life this short, so this is very weird. I definitely is giving off auntie vibes. I feel like that lady from Popeye's chicken commercial. Louisiana Fast, y'all. Come get some of my southern fried chicken tenders. Y'all, this is me. This is for real, somebody auntie wig. But I don't know why I actually like this. The back of my head need to get together because I can already see it from here. But Nola for $13.99. Y'all, I gotta figure out how to like style this or whatever. But I think that will. I feel like I could be a lot of things with this wig. I can sell the hell out of some chicken. I could be Ebony from the Players Club. I like her. Look at that nasty bag. Don't look at that. What's the bag? I like her. I've been waiting for Nola. I'm gonna remember her name. What was her name? I'm gonna remember her name. I don't remember her name. Honestly, with this wig here, I've been waiting for her for a long time because I really been wanting short hair for some reason. Because quarantine definitely had me wanting to cut my hair off, but I know I'm gonna totally regret it. So I've been waiting on this wig, and I don't do short hair, never had it, like I said. That hurt. Call on a beat back there. I don't know how to style this wig, but I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, I can do a Donald Trump. No, you a whole lot. That look horrible. But I definitely look like I can sell some chicken. I can't do nothing else. I can sell some chicken like this. I'm gonna figure out how to style this because I feel like once I figure out how to style it cute, it's a wrap. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Nathan, nada. Period poo. I shouldn't even say period poo on me because I look like somebody auntie. So yeah, these were my 2 wigs that I purchased from Ebony Line. I'll post the prices of them. I'll post them in the description down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And like I said, just come on this journey with your girl. What else we doing? We all in the house. Y'all supposed to be in the house. So yeah, join me, y'all. Join me on this journey they call life. Yeah. This wig did something to me. But yeah, peace, love, and happiness, y'all. Thank you for watching.